Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. So right now I'm walking through my local West Elm. So I was up the night before, like just going back and forth about this coffee table that I wanted to purchase for the living room. I just could not decide. So I decided to just take a drive down to my local West Elm and kind of just check it out for myself. When I left the store, I was even more confused on like if I should purchase it or not. I really don't know if it'll really go with my living room and the decor in there already. Like, I've been dying for a marble coffee table, but I'm just not sure about how it will go in my living room. I came back home, I came upstairs and was like, nah, I don't think it will go. Like, I really wanted to go, but I'm just not sure about it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just keep on just looking around for another coffee table. So I told you guys that I did love the brown pillows on my couch. I do love the brown, but I think I'm going to switch these out. These were never meant to be like permanent. I just kind of wanted to see like what color would go more so with the couch. I feel like these pillows in particular, maybe because they're just velvet, I feel like they just kind of look a little bit too formal. And right here I'm pointing, I did order a mirror, like a large arch mirror from Wayfair. I'm waiting for that to be delivered. So of course, here's where I will put the coffee table. I did move the couch over kind of like facing the TV. I felt like that was more like living roomy for the couch to face the TV. And I'm just not sure about this coffee table. And then I didn't really want to spend that much money on the coffee table, especially if I wasn't sure. I'm pointing over there because this is where I wanted to put another accent chair. Y'all, I was doing this like an actual vlog, but then like the airplane started going, like Callie started talking, so I'm like, you know what, forget it, I'm gonna just go ahead and do a voiceover. I'm gonna put like a bookshelf right in this corner. I'm kind of waiting for that to be in stock. I was going for like the Billy bookcase in that corner right there, and then over in the corner by that window I was thinking of maybe putting like a pedestal right there with a nice like sculpture. And then I did share that with you guys. I wanted to put like a nice big piece of wall art on that wall right there. So this is how the living room is looking so far. Like I said, I don't want it to be like a formal living room. I'm not formal. I want it to be comfortable and cozy, so I'm trying to make it that way the best I can. My whole vibe for the living room is really just like relaxing, cozy, like just inviting for the most part. So my drawer handles finally came in. Oh my gosh, like these were hell trying to put together. At first the seller, you know, I emailed them because I ordered a 14-inch drawer pull, but they came in 15-inch. So they did respond back to me and tell me that they were adjustable, which was cool, but they didn't fit. So I had to like do a whole bunch of other stuff just to make these drawer handles go. Like it was a lot, but I really did love the way they turned out. I really think that it kind of give it that modern look, kind of taken away from the glam, even though with the mirrored furniture it does speak a little glam, but I think it kind of adds in that modern look to it as well. Y'all, so I've really been enjoying adding like my updates and everything into my house. Like it's really been fun kind of figuring out like my new style. I've really been enjoying the like neutral, you know, kind of like modern style. It's really been fitting like my personality as well, and I just really have fun just kind of doing little upgrades and just figuring out what I like you know, now changing up my decor and everything. Now I think I'm pretty much done with my bedroom. I may want to change out my curtains. I'm not sure which ones though. Like those blackout curtains really like come in handy when like the sun is out and it's super hot. But other than that, I'm not really sure on what else I would want to add in my bedroom. Of course, my living room, I do need to add in so a few more decor pieces, and then I'll be done with that. And then I want to work my way into my dining room. I have to buy some more dining chairs, like those ones. I don't even know what happened. Like that light linen just kind of I don't know, it just looks like it's 100 years old. It looks really bad. So I definitely want to get new dining chairs. And then like my last project will be my basement. I want to redo my whole basement. And then I think I will be done with my house. I was so pleased on how they turned out, but your girl did a big like, oh no, like I cracked the sides of my drawers when I was putting them on. So my first like 2 tries, I was trying to like make sure that they were tightened enough, you know, so they wouldn't fall off, but I cracked the sides of the drawer. Oh my gosh, like I am so upset about that. Like you can see it, you can barely see it like walking, you know, in the room. Who really pays attention, you know, to it? But like I can see it, and I just wanted to cry. Like I was even more mad because I did it. Like, Le'Veon, you know better. Like, what was you thinking? So yeah, I don't really think that there's anything that could fix this, so I'm gonna just have to kind of suck it up, take it as an L, and enjoy the actual drawer pulls. Yeah, I'm just so upset about that. But like I said, I do love the way they turned out. And onto my nightstand, I had to put the original screws back on because the little diamonds that I had on there, the screws match better with the drawer pulls. And I was just showing you guys this like light switch face cover. Like I don't even know why I bought black, because the switches are white, so that would just kind of look tacky. If you guys remember, in my office I had like a little dresser, and I had these pulls on there, and I was just like, dang, that would make better sense to kind of put these on there. So I'm just gonna switch these out. I did put the little diamond ones on the dresser in my office, just to kind of have something on there. Y'all, so these were kind of hard to put on too, but I'm trying my best not to screw it on hard because I cannot afford another crack in any of my dressers. So I kind of like lightly twisted these on just enough to where though they won't like come off when we do open the dressers. Of course, y'all know if you have mirrored furniture, like the least little touch that you give it, fingerprints and dust is all on it. So I'm just going to give it a really quick wipe down just to make sure everything is nice and shiny, you know, so I can admire my new drawer pulls. Check me out with the drawer pulls, you know, nice and sleek. I definitely think it goes really well with my like neutral modern kind of glam room. Definitely gives it like a nice little update to the dressers instead of just me wanting more dressers, which eventually I will when we move, maybe. But yeah, for right now, you know, you gotta make the best of what you got. And I really think that just adding in the different pulls kind of gives it a different look. I did do a room tour, but just kind of showing you guys how my room is looking right now. This is my side. I always have like just a simple little bedside decor. Y'all know I love having like my pillow spray. Y'all always ask me like where I purchase this from, and I always get them from like Marshalls. Check out your local Marshalls. And I love burning my luxurious Ambience candle between the sheets. Like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like so good. Definitely check them out. I will leave a link below for you guys if you're interested. bed, I just been keeping it so simple. Like I love, I'm so obsessed with the simple look right now. I did place this quilt on my bed because it's so hot in our room. Instead of just having that duvet, kind of like folded that down at the end just in case we get cold. It's nothing like being cold in the middle of the night and not having like an extra sheet. So still have that at the end of the bed. I did also put the drawer pulls on my husband's side. Super simple, so nice. I'm loving the way it turned out. Look, so I told my husband I was going to talk about him real bad. So he put the PlayStation 5 in our room. He was like, I'm going to just keep it up here because I just want to see how it plays, you know. And this thing has been up here for like 2 months. Like, where they do that at? Like, I guess in my household. I hate having any type of video games in the bedroom. One, it's just like big and bulky and it just messes up my whole bedroom vibe. But y'all, I don't know, like this is driving me insane. And I didn't make it no better because I definitely put that little chair over in the corner, so he just comes in, plops himself down, gets his little microphone and just go in. And I'm like, hold up, babe, this is supposed to be like a sanctuary, like we're supposed to be chilling and relaxing in here. No, homeboy placed that game right in that chair. I think I'm regretting getting that chair, but nonetheless, I was thinking about putting like a really small like floor lamp like behind the chair. I don't know, just something else. I don't really know if I need to add anything else in here, but that was just a thought. Y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with me today and coming for my home updates. I will see you all with some more updates pretty soon. If you have enjoyed hanging out with your girl, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And if you aren't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.